Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In this video, I'll be talking about the new feature which got added in the Realme X2 Pro, which is called Super Nighttime Standby. So right now in this video, I'll be going through that option, mentioning what are the advantages of enabling that option right now in the Realme X2 Pro device. So I am using this same kind of option in the other smartphone, which is the Realme X. So I got this kind of update before 2 weeks ago, and I started to use that feature, and which is helping a lot after using this kind of option, which can be seriously improve your battery life, and it can easily extend your battery life of the Realme X2 Pro device. So we all know that the battery life of the Realme X2 Pro is got affected after the Realme UI update, and slightly they are trying to fix in each and every update one by one. So in this video we'll be mainly focusing only on this feature, which will be helping you a lot. So don't forget to check the links in description for this kind of good looking interesting wallpaper if you want to download. So there's always a links available for the playlist of each and every smartphone and wallpapers as well. So let's get back to this business of super night mode standby. So what does it mean? So if you enable this option, so during the night time, the network connection and the sensor will consume less power, as you can see, and the app background activity will be reduced. So however, there may be delays in receiving messages. So this doesn't apply to the local messages, like from if you're getting from any network SMSs, that the delay won't be there, but the delays will be there only for the WhatsApp messages or Facebook or other applications only. So basically what it does is, so when you enable this option during the night time before you sleep, so this phone will track for a certain amount of time. When phone is in ideal mode, this will automatically decrease the network connection speeds and sensors, and it will turn automatically off the background activities as well. So which will also help you to maintain the battery life not decreasing a lot throughout the overnight time. So usually I didn't see that much of battery life decreased overnight. So occasionally I did see their background activities running in my phone, and which may cause the decrease in the battery life. So that is only one reason. So if I forget to clear all the background activities, and then definitely in the morning I used to see the decrease battery life of close to, I think, 10 to 15% of time. But once after you enable this option, you will be seeing of the battery life decreased. It can come close to 5 to 6%. So that is what I did observe when I enable this option. And I have did a separate video where I'll be mentioning what are the different methods now you can actually save the lot of battery in the Realme X2 Pro device. So these is only possible with the latest update which has come in the Realme X2 Pro device to save the battery. So for more videos, to subscribe to my channel Sai Tech Guru. So thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Until then, bye.